Hey scholars, today we're going to be working on quick tens. You might recognize this from the assessment that you took last time, and I think it's important for us to be able to go over it again. Alright, so quick tens is an easy way, or not, I'm not going to say easy, I'm just going to say a different way to be able to count higher addition problems. So before we start with the quick tens, I want to show you what each of these place value blocks means, because we're going to be using place value blocks. So this little square equals 1. This longer square, well, it's not even a square, it's a rectangle, I'm sorry. This rectangle is worth 10. You can even draw it like this, with just like, it looks like a 1, but it's not a 1. And then the bigger square is worth 100. So the main purpose of doing this is we're going to turn the numbers into place value blocks, and then we're going to count by tens. So for example, let's go ahead and look at one. I'm going to do this one. So we're going to do 68 plus 21. All right. So remember, this is worth 1, this is worth 10, and this is worth 100. And I'm going to make a little chart right here so we can easily put them in an organized chart. Okay. And I won't have to draw this again because I could just copy paste, which will be good. All right. So we have our hundreds, our tens, and our ones. All right. So we have 68 plus 21. So let's go ahead and draw. How many tens do we need for 68? I'll give you a hint. Look at this number right here. We need 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. How many tens do we... Nope, sorry. How many ones do we need for 8? We need 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, how many tens do we need for 21? We need 2. 1, 2. And how many ones do we need? We need 1. Okay. Now what we do is we figure out if we can combine anything together in the ones to create another 10. How many ones pieces do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 ones pieces. So do we need to combine those together to make another 10? No. Now all we do is we need to count by tens for the 10 sections. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Do you see why it's important to be able to count by tens? Because if we can't count by tens, we can't do this strategy quickly. So we get 89. Now, we're not going to use this chart every time. I just wanted to show you the chart once, because the one time we see the chart, we'll be able to combine things together, but we don't need the chart. So let's look at it without the chart, and we're going to add a little wrinkle to it. So what if I have 38 plus 43? How many tens do I need from 38? We need 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. And how many ones do I need? I need 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice how I go by fives. That'll make it easier in the future. 6, 7, 8. All right, now let's look. And I'm actually going to put my ones over here. That way they're away from the tens because I want to combine everything that's the same together. All right, let's look at the next one. 43. How many tens do I need for 43? I need 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And how many ones do I need? Look at the ones place. 3. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw squares here until I reach 10. So 1, 2, 3. And now what that does is that helps us go, oh, look it. We have 10. And 10 ones make a 10. So now we lose those 10s and we gain this. We lose those 10 ones and we gain a tens piece. So we have the same value. Now what we can do is we can count by tens. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 81. You can even count by ones and then you can say how many tens you have. So I have 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, 4 10s, 5 10s, 6 10s, 7 10s, 8 10s. So I have 8 10s. And what are 8 10s equal to? 80. And how many ones do I have? I have 1 1, which is equal to 1. And now we can combine the 80 and the 1 together through addition, and we get 81. 81 is how many points Kobe scored in a game. That's kind of off topic, but I like that number. It's very random that we got that number because it was not planned. So go Lakers, go Kobe. All right. Let's go ahead and I'm going to give you another one. We're going to practice again. This time, the number is going to go over 100. Actually, no. We're not going to do that yet. I'm going to do that in a future video. So for meanwhile, let's just do just another one. So maybe, 27 plus 68. All right. This time I'm not going to color coordinate them. You totally can, but we're just going to do this one a little quicker. That way you guys can see how fast it can be. All right. We have 27 plus 68. So 27 has a 2 in the tens place. So I need 2 tens. And 68 has 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 27 has 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, stop at 5, and then you want to go to a new row. 6, 7. All right, next one is we have 8 ones, so let's count 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, do we have enough ones to make a 10? Yes, we have 2 rows of 5, which makes a 10. I changed that one to a different color so you could see that the ones turn into that 10. So let's go ahead and count the tens. I have 1 10, 2 10, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, and 9 tens. What is 9 tens equal to? 90. We could have counted by tens too. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And how many ones do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 ones, which is equal to 5. Combine them together. 90 plus 5 is equal to 95. Okay, I'm going to give one for you guys to do, okay? You're going to write this one in your accountability notebook under week 16 math lesson 2. You're going to figure out 15 plus 26 using the quick 10 strategy. All right. Good luck, and as always, have an awesome day, and I hope the last days of your vacation are